Welcome to SmartExamPro. Our project aims to revolutionize education through an AI-driven automated grading, evaluation, and feedback system. Powered by advanced NLP techniques, it assesses written responses with precision. The system provides a comprehensive education by automatically detecting and correcting grammar, punctuation, and spelling errors. It also performs real-time plagiarism checks, ensuring the academic integrity. Beyond gradings, it delivers personalized feedback and detailed performance analysis for each student. Accommodating diverse learning styles, teachers can create tests, students can submit responses for automated evaluation and grading. So, when the student or the teacher signs into our website for the first time, they need to register. Suppose I am a faculty, I need to open this panel, and first I need to go for sign up. So, after giving all the information, I need to sign up. Here we go. The account has been successfully registered. Now I need to log in with the details. Here the account has been successfully logged in. So after getting into the thing, so whenever the faculty or the teacher gets into our website for the first time, they have three different parts to view it. One is the class, next is the test assessment part, and third is the analytics part. Suppose we are going for the first part, that is the class part. So the first, that teacher needs to add the class. Suppose I'm going for SE class, semester third semester. I need to add all the class information. I need to give the subject's name as well. What are the subjects for this semester? So after adding the subject's name, I need to add class. The class has been successfully added. Next, I need to add the students for this class. I need to give the roll number of the student. I need to allot the class, and I need to give the number, the marks for those five subjects for this particular class. I need to give the default as whether they are yes or no. After giving, I need to save student. That means that particular student will be saved in that particular class. So till now for this particular class, two students have been added. So in this panel, the teacher has the ability or having the privilege to see the student profile. So they can able to see the student name, roll number, classes, and they can able to see all the subjects. And the main important part is here they can see the performance of the student based on the marks they have got in this semester. That is, for this particular student, he is a good performer. So that is based on the ML. So based on the ML model, it predicts the student's performance based on the marks. And this is the first part, that is a class part. Next, we are going for the assessment part. That is, we are going to generate the test. Before generating the test, we need to give the name and as well as description of the test. Here, the name and as well as the description of the test has been given. Now I can able to create the test. The test has been successfully created. Now we need to click this test and we need to add the questions and add the recommendations and as well. So suppose when clicking the add test, we need to give there are two types of questions that needs to be added. One is a MCQ type of questions and then it says essay question. Suppose I'm going for MCQ and to give the number of options and as well as I need to give the marks. So after giving the number of options as 3 and the marks allotted as 10, I'm going for submit. Now we need to add the questions and the options available for this type of question, and we need to give the what is the right option. So here I have given the information, that is the question and the options and as well which option is the right option. After giving this, I need to submit. Since the question has been successfully added. Next I'm going for the essay type of question. In this, I need to give the marks for this question and I need to check the plagiarism for this question and I need to add the question. What is an explain AI? Here, the MCQ and the essay type of question has been successfully added. Here, any number of questions that can be added. Next, I'm going for add recommendations. So in this, we can give three type of recommendations. One is the good, average, and bad recommendations. So here, I'm giving the good, average, and as well as bad recommendations one by one. Here, I have given the questions, that is the MCQ and essay type of questions, and even I have added the recommendations. One is a good, average, and bad recommendations based on the performance that is taken by the student. So here the questions can be viewed, and the questions can be updated, and the questions can even also be deleted. So here the CRUD operation has been enabled. So after thing we need to allocate the students for this test. Here I'm giving the registration number and I'm allocating the test. Here you can see the test has been allocated to 20 BDS 1111. And now and after that it is the analytics part. So here the teacher can able to see the analytics of the test. So here you can see. So till now we have the good performers, and here the pie chart and the bar chart, and you can able to see the number of students is 2, and they have scored around 2.0, that is the status. And this is the CGPA around like 8 to 9 CGPA they just got, and this is a full analytics part for that particular test of that particular semester. And here it is a quiz analytics. So here we have created only one quiz, and we can able to see the entire analytics of the entire students that they have taken for this particular assessment. So till now no students have been attended the quiz, but here it mentions that till now the not attended test students list has been given here. And after that, now we can go for the students part. And now I need to go for sign up. Here, since I'm the first time, I need to sign up after giving the details. Now I need to sign up. Here you can see, here the intimation has been given that you need to attend this test, and this is the one thing. And the next is this student can able to see his test mark, that what marks he has scored and what is the prediction whether he is a good, average or bad performer. And now he has a intimation that you need to attend this test. Now I'm going to attend this test. I'm going for this test, and I'm going for, I need to give a paragraph here. Now I've given the content for this essay type of question. I am going to submit the quiz. After submitting the assessment, now the evaluation is being done. And after the evaluation is being done, the student can able to see the mark of the student that he have got in this assessment. If you click this assessment, you can able to see the scores. And the special thing here is, for the essay what he have given, you can able to see what mistakes that he have got, that is spelling mistakes and as well as the tense mistakes. Here the NLP concepts comes into effect. Here by using the udata.ai, we have just trained the model, and we have just got a proper training data set from the udata.ai, and we have just trained it, and so that we can able to train the model for detecting the spelling in as well as the tense errors. And here we can able, out of 12 marks, you got 1.7 because there are so many spelling mistakes. That is, and as well as the tense mistakes. And that is one thing. And based on the marks, what you have just got, you can able to show the recommendations. That these are the recommendations you need. These are the recommendations are based on the marks that you have got for the SN as well as the MCQ. That you can top recommendations is you need to read this article. So this is one of the best important thing that is from our application, the feedback recommendation. And after that you can able to see his test mark and as well the scores and everything, and he can able to log out. And now we are just getting into the faculty part. Now again I'm signing into the faculty account. After signing in, here you can able to see that this is the part that is being created by the teacher. But now I need to see the analytics part of the students that I got in the class. So here, these are two classes I have created. Now I'm going for this class. So till now there is only two students that has been enrolled in this class, and they are good performers based on the prediction that they have got by the mark. And this is the analytics part, bar chart and the thing. Now I'm going for the quiz analytics. The main part is seen here. So this is the only test we have created. We are going for NLP test, and entire analytics we can see. Here we can see that the only one student has been attended, and the total mark is 1.7. And here we can see the marks of the particular student. In what are the parts he has just made mistakes and everything. So as well as the teacher as well as can able to see that the scores and as well as mistakes done by that student. And the main thing is the plagiarism report. When he clicks this plagiarism, the teacher can able to see from which website you have taken that content. So we have just implemented the Latticean as well as the vector similarity, cosine similarity method for the plagiarism score for that. So the teacher can able to see from this website it is a highly plagiarized content has been taken. One similarity score level is high, percentage is 65.67, and similarity score is 0.65 percentage. And the plagiarism import can also be given. So this is the main important thing. So the teacher can as well as see the entire information of the student and as well as the marks taken by the student. And the teacher has the only privilege to see the plagiarism report of the student that he have taken for the content during the assessment. And the student can able to give the quiz platforms and can and also be view the marks that is given by the faculty or student for that particular class for the particular subjects. And I think this would be a great idea for both the faculties and as well as the student. So the main theme of our project is the AI driven system transforms education by automating the system tasks, ensuring the consistency, fairness, and as well as providing comprehensive feedback and analysis. So this project modernizes education and as well as a fortressing an efficient and engaging learning environment. And even I need to tell about the futures. The futures would be, so the futures of our platform is, after the student submits a test, our platform able to detect and able to correct and as well as detect the spellings and as well as the tense errors. That is one thing. That is automated evaluation that is being done, and real-time plagiarism report by using the Google search engine. We have just enabled to go this thing, and next we are going for personalized feedback for the student. So the student can as well as go for the personalized feedback and user-friendly interface and multiple feedback generation that we have just done. So I think this would be a great sophisticated platform for both the teacher as well as the student, where the student can able to uh, get a great feedback based on the test and as well as the assessment taken by the student for that particular test, and the teacher can also be view the assessments and as well as the test and the marks taken by the student for the test that they're taken by the student. Thank you.